I'm a huge believer in waiting the light to come to you. It's very easy sometimes to think, oh, the light's all over there. I'm going to get in the car and go and find it. I can guarantee that by the time you've found it, the light will be where you were. It's funny how you seem to get luckier proportionally with age and experience. You never know what's going to happen. This was on the island of Skoma. I was out one day. I'd been out at night taking photos of them because you generally only see them at night on the land when they're nesting. And this Manx shearwater decided it needed something tall to take off from. And it climbed up eventually onto my head and took off. Now, you're going to have to take my word for it when I say that it was that colour. It was as if the mountain had suddenly started glowing from the inside. But if you want some action, you can be your own force of nature. So all you have to do is chuck in a brick and generate your own action. Stir things up a bit. Another little sequence is a case of never stay die. You can guarantee that the second that you decide that there isn't going to be a sunset, you get into your car and there will be one. And I probably take my best photography when I'm on my own or with my husband. My husband enjoys photography as well. But he knows how I like to work, which is basically walk away from everybody. I, I like the sense of isolation. Patagonia is renowned as one of the windiest places other than the Antarctic. And it's just off the Antarctic. And it was evil, absolutely evil. And then the aliens came down and took me away. Clouds are the silver lining in a landscape photograph. We were walking around and suddenly the cloud just lifted from the top of the volcano there. And the top of the volcano suddenly was there. It wasn't there for long, and it was a mad scramble to get the camera out. I don't take risks with lightning. I could hear it and see it in the distance, and I retreated to the car. Not sensible having your tripod up when there's lightning around. In the blue hour, the mist will pick up that blue colour as well. And of course, it's not an hour, the blue hour. I don't know why they call it that. It's the blue 10 minutes, really. So you've got to be prepared. And remember that your eyes can't see that. Your camera can. So don't stand there thinking, oh, I'll wait a little bit. Take a test shot and see if the blues are there. Our world is constantly changing, so the possibilities are endless. But research, 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 and you will find yourself getting luckier.